Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel, Dianna's Homestead. You guys are here with me, Dianna, and today we are out here in my food forest. We have an issue going on with what you call those things, squash bugs. Okay, so I am going to have to remove some of my plants. So if you guys want to come along with me as I do some work out here in this garden, let's get into it. Go, you guys. We have an infestation of squash bugs. Check it out. Those are their eggs right there. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and remove all of these plants here. These are all summer straight neck squash. Here is the damage that they have caused. We've gotten squash, what you call them things? Squash borers. And they have caused a lot of damage out here. So these plants have got to be removed. It has been raining for like 2 weeks here. It's been hard for me to get out here and to really do anything. We have an overcast today. We are going to get more rain, but I'm trying to get out here before it starts raining again. So we're going to go ahead and remove all of these. I still have, even with the squash bugs, they are still producing, but at a slower rate, a much slower rate. Check that out right there. Look at that right there, you guys. Boy, they have been going to town. This is what happens when you grow organically, you guys. I have not used any pesticides out here. So I have I planted a seed here, so we got a new one coming up here, and a new squash. So let me go ahead and start removing these. Look at that. This is the damage from squash bugs and the borers, or however you pronounce that mess. But it's a shame. Well, let me go ahead on and pull them on up. Check them out, you guys. Look at them. Look what they doing. Reproducing. Oh yeah, y'all got to go. This is sickening. Now I even want to touch this stuff. Boy. There she comes. Here's one. So we have removed all of my infected plants. I have 2 seedlings that are trying to grow. One there, one down there. I'm debating on removing them as well. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to get some soapy dish, use some dish soap, put it in some water. I'm going to soak this bed. I'm going to douse it real good with some soapy water, and hopefully that will eliminate them. If not, whenever it stops raining here, I will put down some detrimenous earth, DE, and see if that will help. But with all this rain we have been getting for the past 2 weeks, that's why I haven't really put anything on them, because of the rain. So we've got this done. Let me show you guys my ground cherries. A hot mess. I need to get over here and pull all of this up. I really don't want to pull up my zinnias, you guys, because look at them. Oh, they are beautiful, beautiful. We got pollinators over here too. So I really don't want to pull the zinnias up, but definitely these ground cherries have got to go. I had some squash over in that bed as well. I pulled those up. I got more ground cherries over here. I may pull up as well. I'm not sure. We got the lemon cucumbers growing here. We have 2 lemon cucumbers growing. And then over here we have turnip greens that are just starting to sprout up. And we got the green beans, which have really been taking a toll. The rain has been taking a toll on these green beans, you guys. Starting to get fungus from so much water, and there's really nothing I could do to prevent it. I don't know if you guys can see right here, but there's a little fungus from all the water. And that's God's will, you know. We can't stop the rain. Here's my little baby green bean. Okay, and then over here, I got to work on this as well, you guys. So, you know, you got the good and you got the bad. So my trellis has collapsed due to the wind, rain, and I believe the weight of these mammoth cucumbers that I do need to harvest. Like I said, it's been raining so much here, you guys. It's hard to get out here and do something, so I got to get out here and do it while I can before it starts to rain again. All right, I'm gonna get in here and harvest what I can salvage out of these cucumbers. Check that cucumber out, you guys. These are huge. This is the biggest cucumber. Well, these are the biggest cucumbers I've grown. I know I should have got out here and got them, but you know, it's just whenever the weather lets up, that's when I can get out here. Look at this one. Oh, this one is overdone. If I can get it. Oh. Wow. Look at that. Wow. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and harvest what I can and try to put this trellis back up. Well, here it is, you guys. I decided to go ahead on harvest all the cucumbers, and I pulled all the vines up because they were starting to get powdery mildew from so much rain. So the bed is cleaned out, and now you guys can see my asparagus that I planted about a month ago. So we got little baby asparagus growing. Here's one right here. You would have never known they were in here. With all them vines, there's a little baby. So I am going to get some more asparagus, and I'm going to make this whole bed here my asparagus bed. It comes back every year, so this will be a great addition to my food forest. Asparagus. Let me show you guys my harvest for today. Here is the harvest. These are all the cucumbers that I got. My few little baby squashes there. All in all, a nice harvest. So my garden is in transition, you guys. We are going to be transitioning into fall here shortly. Just giving you a little quick overview here. We got pinto beans growing in here. Look at my beautiful sunflowers. Oh my goodness. It's overcast. Wish it was sunny out here so you guys could really see. It's beautiful. Super tall. Okay, you guys, so we are all done for today. We got some more rain showers that are going to be coming in, so I'm going to wrap it up. Thank you all so very much for coming along with me in this transitioning phase of my garden here. And if you guys are not subscribed to my channel and you like my content, please consider doing so and making sure to hit that notification bell. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And until next time, I will be seeing y'all. Bye.